Somewhere, in the vastness of space, another version of you exists, living your life, making your choices, or maybe choosing differently. This might sound impossible, but if the universe is truly infinite, it may not be just possible, it may be inevitable. But this leads to a terrifying paradox. If everything repeats, why don't we see it? And if infinity exists, why does reality feel so limited? This is the paradox of an infinite universe. Infinity is a strange idea. It means something that has no end, no boundary, no limit. If the universe is infinite, then space doesn't stop anywhere. It keeps going forever. More stars, more galaxies, more planets, stretching into endless darkness. But here's where things get interesting. Even though space could be infinite, the number of ways matter can arrange itself is not. And that changes everything. Think about it. There are only so many ways atoms can combine to form stars, planets, and people. If space is truly infinite, those same arrangements must happen again, and again, and again. Somewhere out there, another Earth exists, another solar system, another galaxy, and somewhere, another you. Not similar, but identical. In an infinite universe, there could be a version of you watching this exact video at this exact moment, thinking the same thoughts, feeling the same emotions. And also, versions of you that made different choices. A different career, a different life, a completely different story. Every possibility playing out somewhere in space, which means you are not unique. You are just one version of many. If all of this is true, why haven't we seen any evidence? Why haven't we found another Earth or another version of ourselves? The answer lies in a limit called the observable universe. We can only see as far as light has traveled. Beyond that, everything is hidden. And here's the catch. The universe is expanding faster than light in some regions, which means those other versions may exist, but are forever unreachable. So now we face a paradox. If the universe is infinite, everything must repeat. But if everything repeats, we should be able to find it. Yet, we can't, because the universe hides it from us. Not because it isn't there, but because we are limited, trapped inside a cosmic horizon, able to see only a tiny fraction of an infinite reality. But there is another possibility. What if the universe is not infinite? What if it only appears endless, but actually has a shape or a boundary we can't detect? Or worse, what if infinity itself is just a concept our minds cannot truly understand? A mathematical idea that breaks when applied to reality. The truth is, we don't know. The universe might be infinite, or it might not. But either way, it leads us to the same conclusion. Reality is far stranger than we can imagine. And maybe the most unsettling idea of all is not that the universe is infinite, but that somewhere another you exists, living a life you will never see. If this made you question reality, subscribe now because this is just the beginning. There are mysteries in this universe far deeper than this. And in the next video, we go even further.